time on our channel, welcome. Right, this video is a preview only to make one of these spring-loaded cufflinks. Up until now, the only videos exclusive for patrons were the full instructional guides. So those were typically between 1 hour and 2 hours, or even 2.5 hours long sometimes. Real in-depth video guides on showing you every stage of making something a bit complicated, like 3-stone ring or cluster ring or something. I'm expanding the amount of videos that are exclusive to patrons, so there's going to be more of these previews on these sort of more simple things I make. But even this cufflink, which was made from pre-assembled parts, you can buy the parts for them, but when you buy them, they need a lot of modifying, a lot of customization, and then after, there's still a lot of skillful ways and specific techniques I use to get them and ensure a good finish. I'll show you this one I just polished. Gave it a good polish, did you, sir? Oh, suit you. Dirty job, was it? Oh. So, this is how I do them, yeah? They finish up, mirror finish on the back, all the difficult to reach parts, strong solder join. This piece is in the correct position, perfect angles, no rattles. It's riveted on really strong. This works really snappy and nice, and will continue to do so way into the future, which is well important for the customer. Yeah, polished really nicely all around the edges, no scratches, just a very nicely finished piece of jewellery. And as I've mentioned loads of times when you're making cufflinks, there's a big chunk of metal, there's a heavy bit of metal, so if you're working in 18 karat gold, you've got to be able to finish them really nicely, really high quality. And I'll get the video going when I said thank you to these new patrons. We've got Susanna Weddle, and this is a difficult one, Valeriu Lulian Sandu Grigorescu. Thank you very much. Yeah, if you want to become a patron yourself, you get access to all the full instructional guides, and then now there's going to be more videos like this one that you are only the patrons are going to be able to watch. So yeah, I'm increasing the benefits, I'm increasing the value for all the patrons, because yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what I want to work towards, is actually giving the patrons a better deal. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's buffing it across the middle now, much better. So yeah, it's probably worth giving them a tap before you start buffing on these. These are really good on flat sections of metal, and then like the side of ring shanks and stuff. These can help you get a really good finish. So look at it from that side and this side. There you go. When it's covered in flux and stuff, you'll be able to see it more as well. But anyway, even if it is hidden, you'll be able to kind of just scoot that over the surface and be able to feel it. It'll just sort of click in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, that was good. I haven't got good mad on the inside, but it's a nice touch for raising the quality. We get it all polished out inside. So just hitting the edges and just watching them and making sure they start to bend over a little bit. So it's quite strong as well. Obviously, don't want it just to work today. It's got to continue working well into the future.